What's up, guys? We're at a Target here, just checking out to see what they have. As you can see, they have this cool Fast and Furious from Jada Toys. Really cool. They also have this nice 2020 Jeep Gladiator. They have Brian's Ford Escort. Don't care for that one. Let's see, they have Brian's Nissan Skyline GTR 4. This one's pretty cool. It's too bad I don't really collect this scale very much. You know, it's got to be a car that really, you know, draws my attention. This one's very cool, actually. This one is really cool. I'm actually going to take this one. I'll leave this one here. See, we also have some of these Greenlight Crunch trucks. There should be, well, not should be, but you know, there's a Target edition out there. Oops. Here I am dropping stuff. So I don't know which one is a Target edition. I'm not too familiar with these Crunch trucks. See, over here we have some of these Jada Toys VW T1 buses and some Beetles. Don't really care for those. We got some Micro Machines. Yeah, I don't really collect these either, but I'm just showing you guys so you guys could see what they have. Oops, I'll pick that up in a bit. Alright, let's see, let's have some Matchbox 9 packs. And if you guys are interested, you know, these Micro Machines are on sale for $3.99, as you can see. We also have some Matchbox 5 packs. We have these 9 packs that I don't really care for. Looks like there's a color variation on these Dodge cars here. As you can see, there's a yellow one and a red one. Pretty cool. Let's see what else they have. Looks like they're all about the same. Let's see what they have for Matchbox. It's like pretty much the same mold. I'm looking for that, I believe it's an Audi. Yeah, looks like somebody already took it. We do have this cool Dodge Viper, which I already have. Let's see. Yeah, somebody took it already. Pick up my mess. We have some of these flywheels. We have some of these Boom City rocket launchers or whatever. There's more. There's some more down here. We have some Monster Jam. Not into any of that stuff. So this is what they have. I was told that there's a Barbie chase. It's one of these monster trucks. See if I find it. Nothing. Yeah, a lot of new stuff, but nothing that I care for. Alright, let me pick up this truck that I dropped. Okay, we have some Ninja Turtles trucks. Let's see what they have for Team Transport. Same stuff, I already have this. Looks like these Fast and Furious spy racers aren't that popular. A lot of people are leaving them behind. Check out these awesome Hot Wheels. Pretty cool. And they have a bunch of repeats of these premiums. I already have these, so I don't really care for these very much. Some more over here. Got some more thought packs. I already have this one. I already did a video about that one. It's really cool. Highly recommend it, guys. You guys should pick it up. And here's another Lamborghini 5-pack. Alright, guys. So it looks like they don't have very much here. Whatever they have, you know, I already pretty much picked up, or I don't really care for. So just gonna do a really quick scan to see what we find. Yeah, I've been here before, and they have the same cars. You see, there's a combination of old case, new case. So yeah, nothing much going on here. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick look at these IDs and see what we have. Ooh, they have the Mach Speeder. It's pretty cool. They have the Jurassic Park, another Jurassic Park, Mach Speeder. They have this Jaguar Type F. This is pretty cool. And the Jeep Express. Yeah, it looks like they have. Here's the Acura. Oh, this one's pretty cool. I'm gonna take that one. They have some twin wheels back here. And they also have the HW50 concept. So yeah, it looks like all the good ones have already been taken. So let's see. Probably gonna take these three here: the Mach Speeder, the Jaguar Type F, and the Acura. And let's do a quick scan of these nine packs to see what new cars are coming up in the next cases, guys. So if you guys are impatient like me and just want to know what's coming up next, you guys could take a look at these 9 packs, and then you guys could get a good idea of what cars are going to be released in the new cases. So this one is pretty cool. Really like that Dodge Demon right there in white, and it's Target exclusive. So check that out. Check that, I believe that's a Wyra red one. Pretty cool. Check out the bone shaker right there. Love the decal. So, let's see, we have this one here. This one has the Nissan Silvia variation. Alright, guys, looks like that's pretty much it on Hot Wheels. I'm gonna swing by the cars section to see what else they have, and I'm not gonna take that Ford GT after all. I'm just gonna take these IDs. Let's see if we could find some chases here. This one, yeah, it looks like all the good ones have been taken. So yeah, I'm not gonna bother looking through these very much. Just wanted to show you really quick. And these. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next video.